What's happening YouTube boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at another security cam for you, but this one you might want to leave on your front door. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when these videos come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. This one's from NetView Orb Cam. Basically, this is an HD camera. It has night vision. It also has motion alert. It also can use a micro SD card, which is pretty good. It has pan and tilt. It has two-way audio, and it also supports Amazon Alexa. So let's go ahead and show you what it could do. So here we go. So basically, yeah, it comes with the camera like this. It's fairly small as well. Very nice design there. A little bit of literature there, extended warranty and whatnot. Just put those on the side for now. There you go. We're gonna open this box and see what else we got. Has a little mount over here. Look at that if you want to mount it on the wall. Very good. It also comes with a power adapter right there, and also the cable right there. Has some screws, pretty good. And it comes with, this is a mounting sticker. For those of you who are wondering, you could just stick this on the wall and then you could just drill some holes there for your screws. Pretty good. So let's put those on the side. Take this off the plastic here and see how well it does. Let's take a closer look of our NetView Orb camera right here. As you can see, it's very good design. It has a little NetView logo on the side there. Very big lens as well for HD video. It has an micro SD slot and the micro USB slot there. On the bottom there's a mount, typical tripod mount there. There's also the speakers on the side, only one side though, the fake speaker on the other side there. So here it is. What we need to do here is just plug this in right here. There you go. And in this part right here, we'll just plug this into the USB provided for us and plug this on our wall. And there you go. So as you can see there, there's a red light around that showing you that it's actually working. So first thing we need to do is download the app, which we'll need to scan it from the quick guide right here. There you go. Click that. Let's go ahead and download that. Now that it finished downloading, let's go ahead and hit open. Let's go ahead and sign up. You can also use Facebook or Apple there. There you go, real easy. Send a verification email there. Very nice. Now let's go back to the email right there. Show that we verified it. There you go. To add a device, we're just gonna hit plus right there. And then here we can, we have the Orb Cam right here. Just gonna hit the Orb Cam right there so that we can set it up. Now we're gonna have to look for the QR code, which is behind the camera right here. Very nice. Go ahead and set up device. Router is closed. There you go. We had that little prompt there ready, so let's go ahead and hit that. There you go, and then we're just gonna punch in passcode there. Make sure you are using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi there so that it'll actually work. It won't work on a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. There you go. There you go. Now we have the QR code. Let's go ahead and face the camera there. There you go. Heard the ding dong. And there you go. Go ahead and we'll just put it living room right there. Hit OK. Very nice. And we're done. That's it. It's pretty easy to set up. So as you could see there, you could see me. We're going to go ahead and pan the camera there. There you go. Pretty quick actually. Very nice. Let's see how far it goes. There you go. It almost goes 360 degrees. About 275 I guess. Almost there. Very nice. Now let's try the up and down. There you go. It goes all the way up, as you can see there. not quite all the way around. So if you want to do, if you want to go around, you have to do this and then bring it up like that. Very cool. You can also use speak. You can hold speak by doing that. So you can see there, very nice. You can also change the quality here to auto or maybe lower quality or maybe HD as well. So you can see there, very nice, right? We're gonna show you how well it does as well here. We're gonna go ahead and record it. Hey, how's it going? How well it does as well here. We're gonna go ahead and record it. Hey, how's it going? There you go. Got it. Very nice. That'll then go to your photos there. As you can see there. So she could see there the video quality is fairly nice as well in HD, and also it has a 16:9 ratio there, so that's pretty cool. You can also full screen it like this, and it has, be able to control it as well there. Very cool. Now here you can go ahead and get more settings there. Like for example, motion detection there. Let's go ahead and turn that on, and you can set more motion time right there. Set a schedule of when motion is very important. Let's say if you're leaving the house or if you're at work or something like that. There's also the motion zone there, where you can turn on certain spots of the screen of where you want it. So for example, maybe you just want it on the plain sight right there. So you can hit save and that'll be it. You can change the sensitivity as well right there. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit share device here. Here you can add users on there. Here like your family members or something like that. In the settings here as well, there's the device information. There's also the sleep mode where you can schedule it as well. And for example, if you are at home, you don't really want it to alert to, you'll be able to turn that on right there. So here you can also change the speaker volume. We'll just put it about halfway there. There's lab features like the human detection. There's the device time zone settings, night vision settings, where you can have it auto, always night or always day. You can set it with that as well. Here's an example of the night mode there. I think it's pretty good quality. Definitely you could see some details here. There are some dark spots as you could see there, but for the most part you'll be able to see the information, whatever's going on. For example, if you want to use this for outdoors and you want to see if there's a burglar coming into your home or something like that, you'll be able to see it. And then reverse image 180 degrees if you are mounting it upside down. Now, by installing a microSD card on the NetView Orb Cam, you'll be able to review your footage from before. So for example, you can hit the playback right here, and there's an iCloud base and also there's an SD card. As you can see, you can play back in any time, anywhere you want. You can even look at time periods, and you can go back in whatever date you want to go back to, so that you could see the footage as well. So that's pretty cool. There is more features on this, but it does come with the price. So right here, we're just going to show you the NetView Protect. So for example, you can also have a continuous video recording right there, where you can pay for per month or per year. Basically, with continuous recording, you can have 24/7 peace of mind. If someone goes in your house, you'll be able to get all your histories, your video history, every recording out there, and then you'll be able to save it and share it on your device. You can also have a user-friendly timeline. There you go, where there's people coming in and out. For example, your kids wanting to leave, and you'll be able to see that right there. Now there's also event video recording. Basically, you'll get alerted immediately for burglars. And there's also a video history up to 60 days, and then less false alarms as well if there are small rain or something like that. Or it won't even detect dogs, just humans. It says here a video up to 24 seconds. There's also record every ring call videos. There's also the sharing and saving. The other stuff which I think is pretty cool, which I might also get for myself, which is $3 a month here, is the human detection. This is really useful if you don't want your camera to see random things, like for example if it's your pet, or maybe
you don't want to detect like moving trees or something like that. This will only detect humans. So for example, they claim that it's a 96% accuracy there, so that's pretty cool. There's also the smart AI technology. For example, like if the video is a statue or something like that, it won't detect that it's human. If it's actually moving and it looks like a person, then it would detect that it is human.
That's for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on a brand new security cam, one that you can really use for your home. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. I definitely would recommend this for people who are wanting to have a security cam but also wants to control it while you're at it. You'll be able to put this anywhere in your house. I would recommend this putting it indoors, but by your front door, or maybe there's a couple of entrances in your house so that you'll be able to move it around as well and welcome guests when they come in. Alert intruders when they come in. That's for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.